Hello, hi, welcome to Sana Classes. Today in this video, let's know about the parameters of JFET. Here we have three parameters of JFET: drain resistance, transconductance, and amplification factor. And let's also look at the relation between among them. So what is the drain resistance? Okay, let the drain be aside. So what is a resistance? Resistance is nothing but the voltage by current, isn't it? So now we have to take the resistance at the drain, means output characteristics. So what are the output characteristics that we previously discussed? Now the characteristics should be taken between ID current and VDS voltages. So ID current and VGS voltages where VGS is constant, isn't it? So here the current will be ID, as we are taking at a drain side, output side. So we have to take ID current and the voltage VDS at constant VGS that we already taken in the previous class. So at constant VGS. Okay, so this is the drain resistance. So what is the another name for the drain resistance is AC drain resistance or dynamic drain resistance. AC drain resistance or dynamic drain resistance. So here the range that it is having is high value, where 10 kilo ohms to 1 mega ohm. This is about the drain resistance. Then look at transconductance. We have to know the conductance at where at transfer characteristics. So what are the transfer characteristics of a JFET? It is nothing but a mutual characteristics. Here we are taken between ID and VGS as the same. Okay, that as the transfer characteristic you put aside. So what is conductance? It is nothing but inverse of resistance. Inverse of resistance. So what is the resistance? V by I. V by I. Then what is conductance? I by V. So but we have to take from at transfer characteristics, means mutual characteristics. Here we took between ID and VGS. ID and VGS at constant but at constant VDS. So this is about the transconductance, the ratio between ID and VGS at constant VDS. Here the drain resistance is the ratio of VDS by ID at constant VGS. Now next, amplification factor. So here it is also called as forward transconductance or forward transadmittance. Forward transconductance or forward transfer admittance. So it is also called as, the units that it is also having as mho. Inverse of ohm means mho or Siemens or Siemens. Okay. Next, its typical range is the range will be 50 ms to millisiemens to 250 millisiemens. And the next, amplification factor. It comes under gain. So what is the gain? Output by input. So here output by input. But here the output voltage that we are giving is VDS. So the change in, so here the JFit continuously changes, so the change of everything should be at the change of. We have to put the change of ID by VGS at constant, the change of VDS by ID. So the change of output that we are having is VDS by the change of VGS input. So VGS. Now the condition applied here is constant ID. Drain current should be constant here. So this is the amplification factor. So it don't have any units, as the voltage by voltage cancels, nullifies. So no units, but it's having the range of 100 range. It is higher. Now let's look at the relation between these three. RD is equal to change of VDS by ID, GM change of ID by VGS, where mu amplification factor mu is the change of VDS by VGS. So let you take amplification factor. So what is the amplification factor? Change of VDS by VGS. So let you multiply with a drain current ID. So ID by ID 1 into something means something only. So I took like this. So I just simplified this equation as I VDS by delta ID into delta ID by delta VGS. So here what is VDS by ID? Of course it is RD, drain resistance. Yes, RD into what is change of ID by VGS? Change of ID by VGS is nothing but trans conductance. So GM. So the relation that we obtained here is mu amplification factor is equal to RD, drain resistance, into trans conductance GM. So this is about parameters of JFET. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.